Okay guys, I'm going to tell you how to get Facebook on your PS4 or PlayStation 4. So you want to go to internet browser and you will type in, you'll type www dot face book .com. Then you'll push go, and then your Facebook will pop up. See? For me, it's mine. Yours will probably be different. So you can just message your friends on your PlayStation 4. It might be the same on the PlayStation 5. This video is going to Facebook and Instagram. Maybe also Twitter. Maybe TikTok. Maybe other stuff. Okay, bye. See you guys later, PlayStation. Yeah.